Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the print function in Python. Now, print function in Python is used to display output on the screen. Alright, it's one of the most commonly used functions when learning Python. Now, it's very simple. Before I continue, make sure you click on that like and you click on the subscribe button before I continue, make sure you hit like. Before I continue, make sure you like and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, because on this channel we are going to be simplifying Python and we're going to make it so easy for you to understand. Now let's continue. Now, I said before that the print function in Python is used to display output on the screen, and it's very easy. You just want Python to say something and you tell Python print. So if a child is learning Scratch, we can say the print function is like the say block. Alright, so I'm going to tell Python to print, so just type print, and then it's very important you put that what you want Python to say inside a parenthesis and in a quote. So you can use either single or double quote, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to say print hello world. Alright, so when I run this code, I have hello world right here in front of me right now. So you see, it's that easy. So I can even come down here and say print hello Mary. I can print as much as you want to tell Python to display. Remember, when you're using print, when you're telling Python to print something, you're telling Python to output something, right? You're telling Python to say something, you're telling Python to display something. So anything inside the parentheses, inside the quotes, will be displayed. So when I say print thanks for watching, thank you for watching, and I run this code, you see, I just get everything I asked Python to print. Now, for the records, I'm using Pydroid 3 on my Android phone to run this program. I hope you've learned something today on this video. So please don't fail to subscribe and like this video. If there's anything you would like us to teach about as regards coding, you feel free to add it on the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye.